Hello and welcome to your new vapor pressure analyzer, the SetaVap4 80600-0. In this video, we will show you how to set up your instrument ready to run a test. Please note, this video is for demonstration purposes only. Tests should be carried out in a laboratory environment and according to health and safety regulations. Start by removing the SetaVap4 from its box, along with the certificate of calibration, the clear outlet tube, the yellow inlet tube, the waste bottle, and the mains power cable. On the back of the instrument, you will find the mains cable socket, an Ethernet port, one of two USB ports, the second being on the front of the instrument, and the RS232 port. Plug in the mains cable, push on and tighten the waste tube, ensuring the end is in the waste container. Connect the sample inlet tube and then switch on at the mains cable socket on the back of the SetaVap4. It will then boot up and display the home screen. You are now ready to use your SetaVap4 80600-0.